friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Spider-Man, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first, let's get started by framing in the head. So we're going to start further over to the left, and we're going to curve this line around, and then we're going to tuck that down on the right. Now from here on the side, we're going to drag a slight diagonal line, just curving that through, arching that further in towards the center. And then on the right hand side, again, replicating that. So just starting back on that line, curving this down on a diagonal, and then starting to curve this around, connecting that together for the chin. We're gonna frame in the shape of the body first. We'll add the details in after because we're gonna use a thinner marker inside. Now let's come across for the neck. We're going to draw in a slight curved diagonal line coming through, ending that at the same height. Now on the left-hand side, we're going to dip this line down, curving that up and back down for the shoulder. We'll replicate this again. So curving this down, across, and then as we get to the side of our page, just curving that in. Now from here on the left and right, just stepping up on this line, we're going to curve this line down further towards the bottom. And then now we're just going to close this off with a straight line. You can use a ruler to do this. I'm just going to freehand it. So we're going to start from this point, and we're going to bring this line all the way across to the right. Now let's come in with our thinner marker and add some details. So we'll start with the eyes. So stepping down in the middle of Spider-Man's face to the left, we're going to curve this line up, over, and then arching that through to the top. Lining that up at the same height, leaving another gap, replicating that. So curving that up, down, and through. Trying our best to line that up at the same height. Now from this point, we're going to curve this all the way around, connecting that to the inside. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right. So we're just going to curve this all the way around and through to that top point. Let's continue with the lenses inside now. So from the center point, stepping across, curving this up and over. We'll replicate that on the right. Now from the inside here on the bottom, we're going to curve this over and through on the side, and replicating that on the left as well. Now let's just color those in black. Now let's add the web pattern in. So starting on the top here, we're just going to curve this line over in the middle. We'll dip this down underneath. Now let's come up. We're going to draw in a straight line directly through to the top of our page. And then coming underneath, we're going to draw in another straight line coming down to the bottom. Let's add some diagonal lines in here now. So coming up above the eye, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming through on the right. We'll do the exact same thing on the left. Let's come down on the bottom. So again, another diagonal line pulling through to the side, replicating that on the right hand side as well. Let's step across here, adding in a small diagonal line on both sides. Moving up, let's continue with the web pattern. So we're just going to curve this line down and into the center. And then from that point, just curving this back down and over to the right. Let's step up above this now. Now from here, we're going to curve this down and up again, and then arching this down and through to the side. Let's leave quite a big gap this time. So we're going to come further out. We're going to start above the eye, curving this in. And then let's continue to connect this together. So curving that into the center on both sides. Now let's step down underneath, curving this down to that line on each side. And then there from that line, curving this around and into the middle. Coming underneath the eye again, arching this over and down. And then now curving this over and across to the center. Let's drop down again one more time. So we're going to start from the side here and we're just going to curve this in. And then again, continuing to follow that through to that middle line, finishing that off on the face. Let's come down for the body now. Let's start with the spider symbol in the middle. So we'll leave quite a big gap coming down, and for the top, we're just going to curve this over. Let's draw a diagonal line coming out on both sides. And then we're going to straighten this out to the top. Now from that point, dragging a diagonal line coming out on both sides. And then from that point, we're just going to drag this back into the center. Now from here, we're going to curve this line over and out. We're going to curve this in on a diagonal towards the middle, always just ending it at the same height on both sides. Now from that point, we're going to curve this line down. And then from here, we're just going to add another diagonal line coming into the middle. Now from here, we're going to curve this up and over. Again, we're going to extend this further up, making this a longer line from the bottom. And then now from here, right on that line in the center again, we're just going to curve this out. Now let's curve this up to the top, closing that off. Let's move underneath now. So we're gonna start kind of where this line is here. We're gonna come down. We're gonna add a small diagonal line. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. Now let's curve this around, joining this at a point in the middle. From here, from that corner, we're going to curve this line out on a diagonal. Let's drag this line down on a diagonal towards the bottom line there. And then from that point, we're just going to bring this diagonal line back up. Now from that point, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming in to the center, just leaving a gap from the top. Now for this leg, we're going to curve this even further out to the side. And then now we're going to flatten this out, bringing this down to the bottom. Let's start from that point. We're going to bring this up on a diagonal towards the side. And then from that point, we're just going to curve this in on a diagonal towards the middle, finishing that off. And then now let's just color in our spider symbol black. Okay, now that we've colored in that spider symbol, let's frame in the arms. So we're gonna leave a small gap on each side, drawing in a straight line coming up. And now from there, we're gonna curve this line up on a diagonal. We'll do our best to end this at the same height on both sides. Now from here on the top, curving this out to the shoulder. Let's drop down now. We're going to frame that in again, so curving that in. And then we're going to bring this line down, curving that in towards the bottom. And then we're just going to straighten that out as we come through underneath. Let's add in the shadow line now that we'll color in black to frame the arms. So we're going to start on the top here, curving this across. And then stepping underneath, we're going to curve this back through. And now let's color this part in black. And then we're going to color this band black too, that separates the red from the blue. And then all that's left to do is go in and add our web pattern again in the body. And if you're using a pencil or something different, each area I've colored in black, you can just go ahead and do that after when you're coloring in your Spider-Man. So lastly now, let's just add the web pattern. So starting in the middle, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes all the way through to the bottom. We're going to add a diagonal line coming out here to the spider symbol on both sides. And then we're just going to imagine that this follows through, curving this around and down. Now let's come across. On the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line out. We'll do the same thing on the right. Now from that point, we're going to curve this back up and over around the shoulder. And then from that point, we're just going to curve this back out to that shoulder again. Let's continue drawing in that web pattern now. So coming over on the left, we're going to curve this down, following the shape of the shoulder, arching that over and through. Replicating that on the right, so curving this down, up, and over on the side. And then one more time underneath here, we're going to curve this out, around, and down, connecting it to that point where it dips there. Now let's come up from the center. We're going to curve this line out. We're going to continue this as we come up and over. And then again, as we stretch this out to the side of the neck. Let's drop down again, right in the middle, curving this over and across. Moving out, curving that over and through. And then again, just curving this further up to the shoulder there. Let's drop down, leaving a gap, curving that out to each leg on that spider. And then we'll curve this over and across to that next line. From that point, we're going to curve this up and through again to the top. Let's leave quite a big gap here now. So we'll start from the shoulder actually this time. We're going to curve this up and down. Now back from that line, curving this around and in. And really arching these helps just round that shoulder out. And then from that point again, curving this over and into the middle. And now dropping below this, we're going to curve this up and in. And then one last time, curving this over and across to the center to finish that off. And that is it. That's how you draw Spider-Man. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I'll see you all on the next one.